subscribe. Welcome to the Diwali vlog. Happy Diwali everyone. I hope you had an awesome Diwali and these Diwali lights fill up your house with a lot of positivity and happiness. So the annual Diwali vlog is here. I already uploaded a sort of part 1 of the Diwali vlog. So check that out if you haven't already. But today is the 4th of November and today is the main Diwali. And I'm really excited because Diwali is obviously one of the best festivals and we enjoy so much. बस बहुत मिठाई खाने मिलती है, but that's a different thing. But anyway, actually I'm running out of time. We are currently in the process of making the rangoli outside our house. If you watched the previous vlog, I had mentioned that all of our neighbors are making one huge rangoli outside. So let me show you what's going on. So here's my morning OOTD. I'm just wearing this short black kurta and I accessorize with all this gold jewelry and I'm wearing these dhoti pants with it. But obviously in the evening I'm going to change into something even more festive and fun. But yeah, this is my outfit for now. Pretty cool and chill. And our huge rangoli is complete. We've also put some flowers in our house. And my mom has already set up the mandir area as well. And then we also made the rangoli on my friend Tanya's floor.
Finally.
देखिए इस लड़की को जिसने कुछ नहीं करा है यहाँ पे, ये मैंने करा है। मेहनत बहुत मेहनत बट हमारी रंगोली बन गई है एंड अब हम लोग रेडी होंगे फाइनली. So it's around 6:15 right now and finally it's time to get ready for the main Diwali evening and the Diwali puja. So as you know, I do not like to do a lot of stuff, just keeping it simple. But firstly I'm going to start off with a lip balm. Because of the winter season my lips feel so chapped and dry, but recently I've been using Mamaearth's tinted lip balms and I have been loving this. Mamaearth's tinted lip balms not only moisturize and heal your lips but it also gives a very natural tinted look. Mamaearth's 100% natural and made safe certified lip balms are a perfect everyday companion for your lips. The best thing is that these tinted lip balms have a 12-hour long moisturization and these lip balms are suitable for all skin types and all Mamaearth products are cruelty free, vegan as well as chemical free, which is great. These tinted lip balms are available in 5 different natural shades and the main ingredient of these lip balms are vitamin E, coconut oil as well as shea butter, which is exactly what your lips need. And as you can see, these tinted lip balms are so easy to glide and are really nourishing for the lips and it makes the lips look instantly lit from within. The best thing about Mamaearth is that every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Mamaearth is completely made in India and is a plastic positive brand. That is, they recycle more plastic than they use and they now recycle over 240 million ton every month. I would definitely recommend you guys to check these tinted lip balms out as I really like using them. All Mamaearth products are available on their website and app. In fact, users of the app get early access to sales and get extra discounts. So definitely go ahead and download the app. You can use my code GUPTA2021 to get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app. But Mamaearth products are also available on Amazon Purple and Nykaa. So definitely get your hands on this. And yeah, now I'm just gonna do my basic skincare and I'll be good to go. So I'm all done and it's time for the outfit reveal. And yeah, this is my outfit of the night. I'm wearing this yellow short kurti along with a royal blue skirt and a matching dupatta. I'll give you the full look. And yeah, these are my accessories. These earrings, this chain, this watch and this bracelet. So it's a golden vibe. I love how my outfit looks. And the preps for the Diwali puja have begun. We keep all of the new appliances, sweets, candles, etc. all in the mandir. And it's time for the puja. then we placed all the diyas and candles around the house. And then all of us came down to celebrate Diwali together and also fly those hot air balloons. Yeah, actually Diwali vibes. And as always, हमारा balloon कभी भी एक बार में नहीं उड़ता. Hey guys, it's the next day and today is the Govardhan Puja. So I know a lot of people do not celebrate it, but it's done in our family. So I'm gonna go to my cousin's place because that's where we do the puja. And then फिर भाई दूज भी है, so we're just gonna stay there for the night and सब कुछ करके we'll come back. This is the look for today. I'm wearing this pink kurti with like the plazo pants and these are the accessories. And yeah, we're kind of late, so let's go now. And this is the setup for the Govardhan Puja. So Govardhan Puja is mainly celebrated to mark the day when Lord Krishna lifted Mount Govardhan on his little finger to save the people of Vrindavan from the heavy rains. And here's the Annakoot ki sabji, which is made every year and it consists of 50 to 60 vegetables and fruits. Hey guys, it's the next day and today is Bhai Dooj, so happy Bhai Dooj everyone. Right now we're going to my father's side of relatives. तो पहले हम वहाँ पे भाई दूज करेंगे, then we'll come back and continue the program here. And this is my little fit. I'm wearing the short kurti with sharara pants. I'll show you my full outfit. But yeah, time to go now. As the name suggests, Bhai Dooj celebrates the brother-sister bond. The festivities have come to an end and so has this vlog. So if you made it till here, comment any heart emojis and I hope you guys had a great time with your friends and family. And if you enjoyed this vlog, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.